Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Bitcoin price stayed nearly flat on Tuesday after a sharp fall over the weekend saw the cryptocurrency pull back from recent highs with focus squarely on more key signals on US interest rates. Well, the world's largest cryptocurrency had pushed as high as $72,000 last week, coming within spitting distance of record highs hit in March. But it then saw a heavy dose of profit-taking and weakness from Friday after the dollar rebounded. Well, Bitcoin was trading at $69,421 with barely any change in the last 24 hours. Ether, the second largest crypto by market cap, was changing hands at $3,664, down by 0.72% in the similar time frame. Before the Fed rate decision, consumer price index inflation data is also due on Wednesday. The reading is expected to show inflation remaining well above the Fed's 2% annual target, giving the central bank little confidence to begin trimming rates. High for longer rates bode poorly for Bitcoin and broader cryptocurrencies, given that the sector usually benefits from increased liquidity and loose lending conditions. XRP, Sol and ADA rose 0.7% and 0.1% respectively, while Solana fell 1.5%. Among meme coins, Investing.com, Shiba Inu Index and Doge or USD slid 1.3% and 1.8% respectively. Crypto investment products saw nearly $2 billion in inflows last week, extending a 5-week streak to over $4.3 billion. Asset manager CoinShares said in a report, trading volumes in ETP surged to $12.8 billion for the week, a 55% increase from the previous week. Bitcoin led the way with inflows of over $1.97 billion, while Ether experienced its best week since March with nearly $70 million in inflows. The global crypto market cap is $2.52 trillion, a 0.79% decrease over the last day. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $66 billion, which makes a 35.83% increase. The total volume in DeFi is currently $6.13 billion, a 9.29% of total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoins is now $63.8 billion, which is 96.67% of total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 54.24%, an increase of 0.39% over the day. Solana VM, the world's first EVM-compatible L2 for Solana, has raised over $1 million to lead DeFi on Solana. The team has allocated 15% of the total token supply for the pre-sale, making it a temporary opportunity for those interested in the Solana VM project. Solana VM aims to bridge the gap between Solana blockchain and Ethereum dApps, allowing $68 billion TVL worth of apps to build on Solana. The team plans to implement the team in Q3 public launch token generation event listing on CEX and DEX, implementing key EVM-compatible dApps in the Solana VM environment. Well, this multi-round pre-sale offers SVM at progressively increasing prices, with the token launch for public trading scheduled for Q3. Solana VM acts as a bridge, allowing developers to seamlessly move their existing Ethereum applications to Solana. It offers competitive advantages such as using Solidity and WIPO languages on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain and Solana VM. Additionally, Solana VM offers low transaction fees, making DeFi applications more affordable for everyone. CoinShares reported a $2 billion inflow into digital asset investment product, extending the 5-week trend of positive inflows to $4.3 billion. Trading volume in ATPs rose sharply and reaching $12.8 billion for the week, a 55% increase from the previous week. Bitcoin remained the primary focus, drawing in $1.97 billion in inflows, highlighting its continued dominance in the digital asset market. Ethereum also saw notable activity with $68.9 million in inflows, marking its best week since March. The US led the inflows, contributing $1.98 billion, with iShares Bitcoin ETF emerging as a significant player. Altcoins Phantom and XRP also attracted attention. iShares ETFs in the USA led with $948 million in inflows, followed by Fidelity ETFs with $680 million. Grayscale Investments faced outflows of $29 million, indicating a shift towards other providers like iShares. Cryptocurrency firm Ripple is partnering with National Bank of Georgia to digitize the local economy. The meeting was announced on LinkedIn by Nisha Tanava, acting governor of the NBG, and Walam, and head of the bank's Financial and Supervisory Tech Development Department. Wallace, who serves at Ripple as Vice President of Central Bank Engagements, introduced the Georgian officials to the Alistair Brown, a representative of Ripple's partner EPAM Systems. The collaboration builds on the previous partnership between the NBG and Ripple, where the latter serves as a technological partner for NBG's pilot CBDC project called the Digital Lari. The Arbitrum ecosystem is set to undergo a token unlock event on June 16, 2024, following the significant move by popular market maker Wintermute to transfer $12 million worth of ARB tokens to Binance. But this move has raised concerns about potential price dumps and the timing of transfer, which coincides with an upcoming ARB token unlock event. The Data Nerds reported that 3 wallet addresses owned by Wintermute deposited a total of 12.3 million ARB tokens into Binance, while the same tokens were withdrawn from Coinbase over the weekend. There are no official reasons behind these transfers, but it appears that Wintermute is using Binance's platform to boost ARB's market presence. The ARB ecosystem is also set to release 92.63 million ARB tokens, about 1% of its total supply. This event is expected to attract investors and market analysts, potentially affecting liquidity, supply, and overall token valuation. NotCoin, a play-to-earn game on Telegram, has reached 40 million players despite claims of third-party tools miscalculating the number of players due to incorrect parameters. The platform is currently trading at $0.0185, an increase of 5% in the past 24 hours and 210% in the past 14 days. The NOT token hit an all-time high of $0.02 earlier this month, soaring past the $2.75 billion mark. Players have earned $1.5 million in turn across 20 campaigns, with the team expecting the figures to increase significantly once automated campaigns go live. NotCoin has reached a peak of over 5 million daily active users for the first time, with total player base standing at 35 million on May 20. This growth can be attributed to the recently launched Earning Missions program, which allows players to earn rewards passively in the form of NOT tokens, likely driving adoption and promoting player retention. Meme coin project Floki has reached a historic milestone in user count, marking its fast-growing global ecosystem. With 417,400 holders on the BNB chain, Floki is now offering holders the opportunity to claim Floki interest rewards shares. The project's growth may be tied to unique strategies such as its tokenization project TokenFi, known for intense token burning. Floki is cautious about keeping supply tight to avoid impacting prices. Well, Floki was up by 2.68% in 24 hours. The meme coin project is also planning to make its presence felt in India by building schools to enhance education in developing countries. Floki is inviting interested NGOs in India to partner on this initiative to ensure the speedy accomplishment of its mission. HSBC China is now offering ECNY services to corporate clients, marking the first foreign bank in China to extend services associated with central bank's digital currency to both retail and corporate sectors. Well, the new service allows corporate clients to connect their business bank accounts with digital yuan account for easier asset management. The digital form was initially designed for retail users to conduct everyday purchases within China. HSBC partnered with the Nord Anglia Group to showcase its new corporate ECNY services, enabling ECNY payment in 6 of its schools in Shanghai, Beijing, Guangzhou, Jiaxing, and Suzhou. Hong Kong has opened doors to cross-border payments with ECNY wallets, allowing residents to set up digital wallets specifically for making payments across borders. HSBC plans to diversify its range of tokenized assets, but clarified its decision not to tokenize volatile cryptocurrencies. Iggy Azalea's telecommunication company Unreal Mobile plans to use Mother token to pay for phones and services. The token has advanced 18% in the past 24 hours, outpacing gains in the meme coin sector. Azalea plans to relaunch the company and offer phones and month-to-month sell plans using Mother or Soul, while Unreal Mobile will handle the payment infra, which will range from $20 to $80 a month based on data usage and network spectrums. The Solana blockchain's phones have been successful with all units of the flagship Saga model selling out in 2023. The controversial Mother coin, issued as a celebrity meme coin in May, saw volatile trading in its first few days due to uncertainty around its issuers. However, Azalea's persistent backing of promises of long-term growth has paid off for early believers, with its market valuation growing from under $10 million to over $200 million. Akira, a ransomware that stole $42 million from over 250 organizations in North America, Europe and Australia, is now targeting businesses in Singapore. Singaporean authorities issued a joint advisory alerting local businesses about the rising threat of an Akira ransomware variant, while prior investigations by the United States Federal Bureau of Investigation found that Akira ransomware has been targeting businesses and critical infra entities. Singaporean authorities have explained ways to detect, deter, and neutralize Akira attacks and advised businesses that have been compromised to refrain from paying ransom to the attackers. While Akira members demand payments in cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin to return control of their computer systems and internal data. However, Singapore authorities have asked businesses not to make payments and advised them to report the incident immediately. The FBI found that Akira never contacts victims and expects them to reach out. So that's all in the bulletin today. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.